Dear students, so today let us continue with revision of lessons 6, 7, 8 and 9 which are there for your term 1 exam test 2. The paper pattern will be the same as your first test. Now first let us see lesson 7. Here we should learn the definition of direct variation. Now the symbol x varies directly as y means x and y are in the same proportion and can be written as x and y are in direct variation. X varies directly as y in the form of equation can be written as x is equal to ky and k is equal to constant. X is equal to ky or x upon y equal to k is the equation form of direct variation. Write using symbol of variation. For example, circumference c of a circle is directly proportional to its radius r. Therefore, c varies directly as r. Now, if m and n are in direct variation, when m is equal to 154, n is equal to 7, find the value of m when n is equal to 14. Now, we know that m directly varies as n, so which is given. So, m is equal to kn, where k is a constant of variation. Substituting m equal to 154 and n equal to 7, we get 154 is equal to k into 7. Therefore, 154 upon 7 is equal to k. So, k is equal to 22. The equation of variation is m equal to 22n. Substituting n equal to 14 in the equation of variation, we get m equal to 22 into 14 is equal to 308. Now, you will be getting such sort of problems for 2 marks. Definitions and certain fill in the blanks or MCQs for 1 mark you will get. But such sort of problems you have to solve on a rough paper and then choose the correct alternative and write it over there. Okay. So now I hope you have followed direct variation. Now let's go to inverse variation. So here again learn the definition. X is inversely proportional to y, or there is the inverse variation can be expressed as x varies inversely as 1 upon y and x into y is equal to constant. That is, the product of x and y is a constant k. If x varies inversely as 1 upon y, then x is equal to k upon y, or x into y is equal to k is the equation of variation and k is a constant. Now let's move on to the next page. Find the constant of variation and write the equation of variation. Now again here, if p is inversely proportional to 1 upon q, if p is equal to 15, then q is equal to 4. Now we know that p varies inversely as 1 upon q. Therefore, p into q is equal to k is a constant of proportion. Substituting p equal to 15 and q equal to 4, we get 15 into 4, that is equal to k. So, k is equal to 60 is a constant of variation. Equation of variation is p into q is equal to 60. Now, let us see this table here. Number of workers and the days are given. Number of workers m, days is n. Number of workers is given to be 30, days 6. Again number of workers 20 and days 9. Number of workers in the third column we have to find out. days is going to be 12. Again, number of workers is going to be 10. Days we have to find out. Again, number of workers in the last column we have to find out, and days are given. Now, m varies inversely as 1 upon n. Therefore, m into n is equal to k. K is a constant of variation. Now, when m is equal to 30, n is equal to 6. Therefore, 30 into 6 is equal to k. Therefore, k is equal to 180. Now, equation is m into n is equal to 180. Now, let's see the first problem there. If n is equal to 12, find m. So, substituting in the equation of variation, m into 12 is equal to 180. So, therefore, m is equal to 180 upon 12. So, m is equal to 15. So, the value of m you get is 15. So, like this, you have to solve this table. So, for the fourth column, you will see you will get the days as 18. Okay, solve it in your classwork. And the last column, you will get it as 5 when the days of work, the number of days is 36. So, I hope you have followed how to solve these problems. So, you will get for 2 marks, okay, definition for 1 mark, again I am telling you. Now, here, examples of time, work and speed are related to inverse variation. So, solve the examples from the text on page number 40. Okay, let us move on to the next page. Now, chapter number 8, Quadrilateral Constructions. Now, as you know, we will not be giving you any constructions. So, here what you have to learn is all the definition of all the quadrilaterals and their properties. Also learn the basis of constructions of quadrilaterals. Okay, so here you have to really read it well because it's important. Now, practice at 8.3. Here some problems are given where we have to find the measures of the angles from the given information. So, please solve problems from the textbook. Okay, so 2 marks questions might come. So, you have to choose the correct angle from the measurements given. Solve them properly and choose the correct answer. Now, chapter number 9, Discount and Commission. Again here, learn the definition of discount, commission, rebate. Now, let's solve some problems. If MP, that is mark price, is equal to 1700, SP is equal to 1540, find discount. So, SP is equal to MP minus discount. So, 1540 is equal to 1700 minus discount. So, discount is equal to 1700 minus 1540, that is 160 rupees. Second problem, if MP is equal to 990, discount percentage is going to be 10, find SP. MP is equal to 100, SP is equal to 90. When MP is 990, let SP be X. So, 90 upon 100 is equal to X upon 990. Therefore, 990 into 90 upon 100 is equal to 891 rupees. Now, next, practice set 9.2. Problems based on commission and rebate, that is discount type. Now, here a farmer sold food grains worth for rupees 9,200 through an agent. Rate of commission was 2%. Find how much amount did the agent get. So, here SP of the food grains is rupees 9,200. Rate of commission is 2%. Commission paid is equal to 2% of 9,200. So, that is equal to 9,200 into 2 upon 100. After you cancel all this, you get rupees 184. So, I hope you have followed these 3 chapters. Now, practice more problems in your classwork book from each exercise. Now, let us move to chapter 6. Okay, factorization of algebraic expressions. Now this is important because here there are many formulas and you have to solve the problems. Maybe for 2 marks you will get mostly here. Okay, formulas are very important. Now here we have the factors of the quadratic binomial ax square plus bx plus c. It's called as a quadratic binomial. So now what are the factors? Let's see. Now suppose this formula is given to you, x plus a into x plus b. So its expansion is x square plus a plus b in the bracket into x plus ab. Therefore, factors of x square is equal to a plus b into x plus a into x are x plus a into x plus b. Okay, so you learn this formula. Now let's see a few examples here. Factorize x square plus 9x plus 18. So first you have to factorize 18 here, plus 18, because it is a into c. A means your x square and c is 18. So the constant term of x square is 1. So 1 into 18 is 18. So the factors you have to find out of 18 such that the product of the two numbers should be equal to the last term and the addition of those two terms should be equal to the middle term. So the factors of 18 are 9 2s are 18, 6 3s are 18, 18 1s are 18. So among this, which is the appropriate and the best suited here? For 9x we have to find out. So you know that plus 6 and plus 3, that is 6 into 3 is 18. So and 6 plus 3 is 9. Therefore, we have to factorize 18 as plus 6 into plus 3. So x square plus 6x plus 3x plus 18. So we have to group those factors. So x square plus 6x is one group. 3x plus 18 is the second group. So now we find out the common factors among them. So in x square plus 6x, x is common, and in the bracket x plus 6 plus 3 again common, in the bracket x is remaining and 6 3s are 18, again x plus 6. So these two brackets x plus 6 and x plus 6 should be the same. So here the factors are x plus 6 into x plus 3. Therefore, the factors of x square plus 9x plus 18 is equal to x plus 6 into x plus 3. Now the second example, x square minus 10x plus 9. Here 1x square, the constant of x square is 1 and last term is 9. So you have to get 9 because you have to get 10 in the middle term. So you have to find out the factors of 9 such that addition of both equal to 10x. So here minus 9 into minus 1 will give you plus 9, and minus 9 plus minus 1 is equal to minus 10x. So x square minus 9x minus 1x plus 9. You need not write 1x. I have written it for you because for your better understanding. Okay, you can write only x also there. So now again group the factors, x square minus 9x and minus x plus 9. Now x in the bracket x minus 9, again minus 1 you have to take outside the bracket, again x minus 9, common bracket for both. Therefore, the two factors are x minus 1 into x minus 9. Therefore, x square minus 10x plus 9 is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 9. Now, the third example is p square minus 2p minus 35. Now, here again the last term is 35 and the first term 1 is the constant. So, minus 35, you have to find the factors such that you get 2 in the middle term. So, here minus 7 into plus 5. 7 5 is 35. But you have to take minus 7 and plus 5. So, p square minus 7p plus 5p minus 35. So, p in the bracket p minus 7 plus 5 in the bracket p minus 7. That is equal to p plus p minus 5 again and p minus 7. Okay, these two are the factors. So similarly, I have solved the fourth, fifth and the sixth problem. You can please See there, okay, how I found out the common factors in the sixth problem. 20x square minus 26x plus 8. I found out the common factor 2. 2 in the bracket 10x square minus 13x plus 4. Now here in the bracket, it comes to 10 into 4, that is 40. So we have to find out the factors of 40 such that the middle term is 13. So here it is minus 8 and minus 5. So 2 in the bracket 10x square minus 5x minus 8x plus 4. That is equal to 2 in the bracket 5x. Again in the bracket 2x minus 1 minus 4. Again in the bracket 2x minus 1 to close the bracket. So here the factors of 20x square minus 26x plus 8 is equal to 2 in the bracket 2x minus 1. Again close the bracket 5x minus 4. Now let us find out the factors of x cube plus b cube. Okay. Now a cube plus b cube. Now the factors of a plus b the whole cube are a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So these are the factors. Now let's factorize this first one. X cube plus 64y cube. So x the whole cube plus 4y the whole cube. Okay, so you have to find out the cube root of these numbers. Therefore, you get x the whole cube plus 4y the whole cube. So using the formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Therefore, x plus y. So you get it as a plus b is your x plus y and a square minus ab plus b square is your x square minus x into 4y plus 4y the whole square. So x cube plus 64y cube is equal to x plus 4y, first bracket, second bracket x square minus 4xy plus 16y cube. So let's go to the next page. Now again the second one, 2l cube plus 432m cube. Now here these are not perfect cubes, right? So here again we find out the common factor and then find whether they are the perfect cubes. So we take 2 common and inside L cube plus 216 because 2 into 216 is 432. So that is equal to 2 again in the bracket L the whole cube plus 6m the whole cube. Now using the formula 2 in the bracket L plus 6m, again open bracket L square minus L into 6m the whole square. So therefore 2l cube is equal to 2l cube plus 432m cube is equal to 2 in the bracket L plus 6m, again open bracket L square minus 6ln plus 36m square. Okay, so like this problems you have to solve, can come for 2 marks. Now third one, y cube plus 1 upon 8y cube, again using the formula y the whole cube plus 1 upon 2y the whole cube. So using the formula we get y plus 1 upon 2y in bracket, again open bracket y the whole square minus y into 1 upon 2y minus 1 into the bracket 1 upon 2y the whole square. Now here thus we get the factors of y cube plus 1 upon 8y cube is equal to y plus 1 upon 2y, open bracket y square minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4y square. In the previous step y and 2y gets cancelled in the denominator and on the top also. Now the factors of a cube minus b cube are a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So thus a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So these factors you have to study. Now practice set 6.3, the example 64x cube minus 729y cube Again, using the formula 4x the whole cube minus 9y the whole cube. So using the above formula, we get a minus b in the bracket, again open bracket, a square plus ab plus b square. So this is equal to 4x minus 9y, first bracket, second bracket, 4x the whole square plus 4x into 9y plus 9y the whole square. So this is equal to 4x minus 9y, open bracket, 16x square, 4x square is 16x square plus 36, 4 9s are 36xy plus 9 9s are 81y square. So similarly, we have the problem 8p cube minus 27 upon a p cube. Again, you have to solve in the same problem. You can just go through it. Next, simplify x plus y the whole cube minus x minus y the whole cube. Okay, so this also you have to use the formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So open bracket x plus y minus, again open bracket x minus y close bracket, second bracket x plus y the whole square plus x plus y into x minus y plus x minus y the whole square close the bracket. Now x plus y minus x plus y. Your x gets cancelled from the first brackets. Now the second bracket, bigger bracket, x square plus 2xy plus y plus y square plus x square minus y square plus x square minus 2xy plus y square. Now your 2xy gets cancelled, minus y square and plus y square gets cancelled. Okay. Now the remaining part is, in the first bracket y plus y is 2y, and the second bracket 3x square, x square plus x square plus x square, 3x square plus 1y square. Okay, so it becomes 2y in the bracket, 3x square plus y square. So that becomes 6x square y plus 2y the whole cube. So ultimately x plus y the whole cube minus x minus y the whole cube, its answer is 6x square y plus 2y the whole cube. Now similarly here, p cube minus bracket p plus 1 the whole cube. Again using the formula as above, we get the answer as finally minus 3p square minus 3p minus 1. You can just go through it. I have solved it for you. Now this same problem can be solved by using the formula a plus b the whole cube as a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So solve it and see it for yourself. Now let's see what do you mean by rational algebraic expressions. So if a and b are two algebraic expressions, then a upon b is called as rational algebraic expressions. Example, simplify m square minus n square upon m plus n the whole square into m square plus mn plus n square upon m cube minus n cube. So we know that m square minus n square is equal to m plus n into m minus n. Using the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Similarly, m cube minus n cube is equal to m minus n into m square plus mn plus n square. So, using the formula a cube minus b cube in the bracket a is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now, m square minus n square upon m plus n square is equal into m square plus mn upon n square is equal to m cube minus n cube. So from 1 and 2 we have seen that what we get. So m plus n, the factors of m square minus n square are m plus n into m minus n. Below, m plus n square can be split up and written as m plus n into m plus n. Then the factors of m cube minus n cube are m minus n into m square plus mn plus n square, and at the top we have to write m square plus mn plus n square as it is. Now what we can cancel from here? One m plus n and another m plus n from the numerator and denominator cancelled. Okay, then m square plus mn plus n square can be cancelled from top and also from the denominator. Then m minus n over here, both can be cancelled. So ultimately what is left behind is only 1 upon m plus n, which is the answer. So it looks like a very big problem, but it is the most easiest if you learn the formulas. The last problem, let us see. 4x square minus 11x plus 6 upon 16x square minus 9. Now let's factorize. 4x square minus 11x plus 6, that is equal to 4x square minus 8x minus 3x plus 6. So 4x square minus 8x we can group together, and minus 3x minus 6 another group. So common we will take. 4x is common, so in the bracket x minus 2, minus 3 in the bracket again x minus 2. So its factors are x minus 2 into 4x minus 3. So this is the first equation. Now 16x squared minus 9. So this factorization is a square minus b square. So a plus b to a minus b. So 4x squared minus 3 the whole square. So the factors are 4x plus 3 and 4x minus 3. So now let us write them again as given in the question here or the problem. The factors of 4x square minus 11x upon plus 6 are x plus 2 into 4x minus 3. And the factors of 16x square minus 9 are 4x plus 3 and 4x minus 3. So 4x minus 3 is common, it gets cancelled. So remaining is x minus 2 upon 4x plus 3. So I hope you have all followed this. Do well for your exams and study well. Practice lots. You need to solve the problems. Just don't think that it is 1 mark or 2 mark and leave other bigger problems. Not like that. Can come for options. So really solve them in your classwork books. Okay, thank you students.